So here's how to know your password in Roblox if you forgot it. We will start off by opening Roblox on the PC browser. Now, go to the top right corner and click on Login if you already have an account. Enter your credentials to log in to your account. If you forgot your password, then click on Forgot Password below. Over here, enter your email or your phone number to recover your Roblox account. Then, click on Submit below. An email with instructions will be sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. Click on OK. Then, go to your mail and open the email sent to you from Roblox. Click on Reset Password. Over here, create and type in your new password. Type it again below to confirm. Once you're done, click on Submit below. You have now successfully changed your Roblox account password. And that's it. You can now easily know your password in Roblox if you forgot it.